Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically me just sharing with you all the items that I have gathered up to start my December daily album. 2020 has been a rough year for everybody, and I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but this will be my first year doing December daily. And I know it's going to be tough, but I'm just not going to put a lot of pressure on myself. I have watched a lot of videos, but I did think that this is an awesome way to document your holiday season. And just, it feels good when you remember good times that you have with your family and you're looking back at pictures and things. So I really want to document it, even though it's been a tough year for everybody. I really want to document this, and so I'm going to give it a shot. So this will be my first year, like I said. So I bought this 6x8 3-ring album to do my December daily in, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is one of the Paper Studio. It's like a craft color mini album. It comes with 12 pocket sheets, and so that's what I'm going to be using to create mine. So I'm just going to pull these out, and these, you get 4 styles. You get the full page plain one, you get the let's see, you get the double pocket page. So you get 3 sheets of each style. So then you get this one has 3 pockets, and then you get the 4 pocket. So this is the size. I figured I didn't want it to be a super big album, since this is my first time doing it, and I know I could be pretty hit and miss when I am on schedule to do stuff. So that's something I'm really working on. But yeah, I just wanted to share all the things that I've gathered that I'm planning on possibly incorporating into my book. Okay, so I'm planning on just using my regular acrylic paint and painting around my book, and then I'm gonna add pattern paper to my covers and to the inside of my book. And I pulled out these 2 paints that I had in my stash, and this is just a cheap Craft Smart acrylic paint, and then I got this folk art glitter paint that I might add a little bit of glitter in there too, because I really like this gold. I think it's so pretty, and it's festive for the holidays. So will probably come on in a separate video once I start getting this painted and show you guys how I actually mat my papers and things on my album cover. So this is the book that I will be using, and I did buy 1 pack of extra page protectors. When I got this, everything by the Paper Studio was on 50% off sale. So I wasn't sure how many page protectors I would need. I plan on documenting the entire month of December, not just until Christmas, because my mother has a birthday right after Christmas, and so I want to go ahead and document all the way to the end of December. So that is the plan. Hopefully I'll stick with the plan. So that is the book. I also shared with you in a previous haul from Hobby Lobby that I did pick up the Fine Line pen set by the Paper Studio, and then this Heidi Swap roller date stamp, because I want to document the dates on my journaling and things like that. So I did get that as well. So the papers, let me go over the papers that I chose for my December daily. I plan on just using traditional Christmas colors with gold popped in there. That is my plan. And so I have these two collection kits that I purchased last year. So you may have seen these already on my channel. This one was the 12 Days of Christmas kit by the Paper Studio that I got from Hobby Lobby for last year. I only used 2 sheets of the scrapbook paper out of this collection, so I still have the chipboard pieces, still have the stickers and the die cuts for this. And I feel like especially these chipboard stickers with the numbers, they're numbers 1 through 12. I can definitely incorporate these, I feel, into my December daily. So these are the paper patterns that come in this kit, and I did want to definitely add this pattern in the buffalo check. I have a red and black, I believe, in one of my other paper collections that I want to use as well. So I'm just going to use different papers from different collections, but I will definitely make them all go together, and I'm going to add a pop of gold in there. So then this one was one that I got last year by Echo Park Paper Company from Tuesday Morning, and this was A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. And again, I have most of the pages from this collection. I've only used a couple of them, and I still have all of the stickers and cut aparts from this collection as well, which are great to add into those little pockets of the album. So I really think this is a great collection to add as well. I'm just kind of pulling some stuff out to give myself some options, and really wanted to bring some stuff to the forefront that I think I really want to use. And like I said, I'm gonna try not to put a whole lot of pressure on myself while I'm doing this, because I know, like, a lot of times I'll get off from work and I'll be super tired, not wanting to do anything. So I am going to do some prep work and some pre-planning, so that on those days I can just do something simple, maybe journal a little bit about the day. But just to show you some of the cut aparts from this collection, and I know this is an older collection, but it's still super cute. And these are all the traditional colors that I like and that I want to use for my collection, so for my album. So just some really pretty pages. All right, super pretty. I like this, like chalkboard type. And this, again, since it has all the traditional Christmas colors, it will go with these papers. And I have stickers in case I want to add tags. Just, you know, now, like I said, I've watched a lot of videos on December Daily, and I know I'm late to the party when it comes to December Daily. But a lot of tips that I've heard while watching videos is just, you know, no pressure, just, you know, pretty much make it fun and relaxing. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, so those two paper collections I want to try to incorporate some items from. And then also this one, this is the most recent paper collection that I got from Hobby Lobby when they had all the Christmas items on sale. And this is Have a Cozy Christmas. And this, I'm going to pull the camera in a little bit. Uh-oh, sorry. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can pull it in so I can see a little bit more of these pages. So I'm just going to flip through and show you guys some of the pages in this collection. Like I said, all of this, since it's traditional colors, it'll go together. And I love, this is like my favorite. I'm definitely using that. I may use that on the cover. I don't know, we'll see. I love these too because I can use my circle punch and punch these out as well to make embellishments. And I'm gonna try not to make a lot of chunky embellishments and things like that, but I definitely want to incorporate some tags and journaling spots to write my little daily stories. Okay, so that's Have a Cozy Christmas. And then I also picked up this Christmas 6x6 Christmas pad from Tuesday Morning, and I got this one recently. It just says Christmas right there. So it's a Christmas double-sided 6x6 pad. So I'm just gonna flip through that. See, all my paper collections seem to like really go together. And I thought about doing one of the collections that I've gotten with the pinks and the pastels, but I don't know, I just really wanted to do like the traditional colors for my first December daily. So that is the papers that I'm planning on using. Y'all seen my album that I'm going to be using, and now I'm just going to show you some of these stickers and the stickers that I'm going to be using. So I found this here at Joann's, and this is the Tim Holtz Ideology sticker book. It says Christmas, Noel. Just a lot of fun little Christmas sayings. May your days be merry and bright. The decorated Christmas trees were grand. The happiest time of all, dear Santa Claus, a visit from Santa Claus. Hidden among the snow-covered branches where all the good things grow, and all you smiling merry folks treasure. Bell ring, oh dear Santa, did you just hear? With hugs and kisses. Just a whole lot of nice Christmassy sayings. And I love these kind of stickers to add to tags and even photos. So, and it even has some sticker letters in the back. Christmas tree things, tinsel and paper. I'm already thinking of ideas to use some of these on. Here's some little tags. Some small little stickers, great for tags. These are great right here to add journaling. And here are those letters. So that, I got that. I'm planning on using that. And also I'm planning on using these metallic Stickabilities stickers by the Paper Studio. Got them for $1.25 when everything was 50% off. And so I'm going to be incorporating these to help number my pages. Also, here is this Stickabilities like cardstock sticker. And you know what? This one actually matches, I believe, the one that comes in this kit. So I have 2 of these. So that's that. And then here's some stickers that I love. The sparkly glitter gold letters. And then I love these, the candy cane letters by Thickers. And these came from Tuesday Morning, I believe. Yeah. So I want to use those. And of course these stickers: Merry Christmas, Believe, Noel, Santa Baby, Holly Jolly, Elfie, Joy, Ho Ho Ho, Mistletoe, Jingle Bells, Let It Snow, Christmas, Fa La 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 La, Warm and Cozy, Merry Christmas. I love all of these. They can all be incorporated, and it's not too much dimension that'll really bulk my pocket pages up. So that is mostly everything that I've pulled out to get started with planning out my pages and setting up my pages. So I'll come back in a separate video and show you guys how I actually set up my pages, because I do want to do some prep work. I watched a lot of videos, like I said, and I see that a lot of people said that it was easier for them to have their base pages kind of set up, and you could always go back and change things around as you need to. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and I am definitely going to share that process with you guys. And if you're interested, if anybody is interested, I can definitely do some live videos. Now, I've only attempted live maybe 1 or 2 times for just a few minutes, just to get the gist of it. And I definitely would love to do some live videos with you guys, but I have to make sure you guys, it's something that you guys would like to see from my channel and would like to participate in. And also, if you can give me some feedback as to what's a good time for you guys, if you were to watch live process videos, things like that. It's 7 p.m. You know, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, late videos, because on the weekends, a lot of times I'm staying up late anyway. I don't know if I have any of my viewers here who like to stay up late and you know, watch crafty videos, but I could definitely do that as well. So if anybody is interested in that, comment below and let me know, and we could definitely set that up. I just would like to have just enough participation so that we could all you know, chat with each other during the process, and kind of mix and mingle and meet each other. So definitely let me know, guys, if that's something you want to do, and we can definitely do that with these crafty videos. Another thing I had picked up was these little wood veneer Christmas trees that say joy, love, peace, happy Christmas. These are great as well, and I might just use a piece like this to embellish just the front of my book. Just something clean and simple, maybe. So, you know, I got my Christmas boxes out with all of my Christmas embellishments and things like that, but this right here is mainly what I chose that I really want to try to incorporate. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed and you would like to subscribe, go ahead and click that link below to subscribe, and hit on that little notification bell so you guys will know when I post my next video. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.